everyone.
Okay.
Okay, so you see our roux, see how it's starting to get this pumpkin kind of caramely color? This is where we want to be with roux. Okay, this is taking, I don't know, about 15 minutes now. See the red streaks that's starting to get in it? As the, you kind of want to constantly want to stir it, because if you don't, you will burn it. This is a cast iron skillet. This seems to work really good, but a frying pan will do just the same. Okay, so now I have to make a switch, because normally I make it in the skillet, but since I got to make more, okay. I'm going to switch pans here. Okay, I'm going to put it in this larger pan here, just like so. And now I'm going to add my mirepoix. Okay. Set this down for a second. If any of you have never cooked with a cast iron skillet, cast iron skillets get very hot because cast iron conducts heat really well. So the handle gets very hot. That's about the best I'm going to get out of there. So into the sink I go. So I put my mirepoix in here now. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I put my vegetables right into the roux. I'm going to stir them up real good. Normally I don't make this many vegetables, so one of the keys now is to let these simmer for about an hour. Okay. I'm going to turn the heat temperature up a little bit since there's water in the vegetables. You don't have to worry about the roux not going to burn anymore. It's done. It's all mixed. Now we're going to just let this cook. We're going to let this cook for a while. But we're also going to do a couple other things real quick. We're going to add a little salt, a little more. I put some in already. I just want a little more. That's Himalayan pink salt and some fresh ground pepper. Okay. Here's my ingredients. Here's what makes this work really well. Old Bay. Okay. Now, my wife always thinks that I put way too much of this thing in, but she never sees exactly how much I put in. So she always says, "So it's spicy," and I'm like, "I only put a little bit," so I'm going to show her what I put in. Okay. About that much. It comes out really slow. It's really kind of thick. Then I use my Creole seasoning. And this, you only need a little teeny bit. Okay. Done. That's it. That's all I put in, honey. Every time. So this now, I like to put this on my table and use this as a condiment. Scoot to this side. I think I have some more. I hope I have some more. I'm pretty sure I have another bottle of this up here. Anyway, so let's just let that cook for a minute. I'll find that in a little while. So this is going to go on my table along with my pepper. And we're just going to let this cook for a little bit till the vegetables start to soften up in the roux.